start. No, I want to go 25. Alright. Livernois and Burlingame. We're in the west side. Look at this. It's hard to see with the sun. Yeah, go back towards Collingwood. I'm trying
this way, huh?
Yeah, but hold on. Open your... Wait. I'm trying to get that. Alright, go ahead.
Trying to clean my window.
The sun's out. It's hard to get stuff. There's people outside.
Pretty soon all the leaves will be down. It'll be easier too.
Right. Yeah, go left. All these streets are gonna be good in this area. It's an old area. Alright. Alright. Torn down right here. Alright, go ahead. Looking on that too. We're gonna go right, but this, let me get that one. Alright, go ahead. Straight ahead. Look at that one. Ouch. That one's rough. Surprised it's not torn down.
Mattresses in the ground.
Narden Park. I've been at Narden Park a lot. Working on let me try to go left. I want to get the front of this house.
Right.
Just turn and stop. Right here. Alright, go ahead. Now there's some nicer. Here's another one right there. Alright, go ahead. Webb, I know Webb. Yeah, this is the area we want to be in for sure. Here's another one, and then they kind of fix that one up a little. Oops, got you in it. Go ahead. Fixing up a lot of them over here.
That one looks really nice.
Right, go ahead and go down Elmhurst.
To the right or left?
Right.
There's a good big side street.
Right. I see that burnt one. We're going to get over to that block. It should be the next one.
Okay.
It's going to be a dead end, but I want to get at Yellowstone turn. Oh, someone's outside. Darn it. Alright, just turn around. I'll try to get it real quick.
Turn around up here.
He won't see us working on his car. Lowe's Homes. Cool. Alright, go ahead. Go straight across. We'll get back into the neighborhoods.
Okay.
Man, that sun is hard. Makes it hard. Well, at least this is a tree block. Go ahead. This block's got some nicer houses. We got it. Ooh, there's an old one. Hold on. Alright. We gotta get back on Collingwood. I know there's a lot off of there. Yeah, that's a nice car. Oh, there's a bando across the street too. Hold on. Alright. Go down to Collingwood.
Alright.
We can get this school too before they tear it down. Can't believe they haven't tore it down yet. Hold on, we got bandos. Go ahead. Bandos. Look at this old house. Just stop so I get to school. Alright.
Let me get away from this tree.
Alright. Oh, another bando. There's a torn down house right next to it. Ooh, look how bad that looks.
Yeah. It's scary
Oh, look,
looking
you
in
can
there.
get in there.
Mm-hmm.
Have to do that one day. Alright. Here's Collingwood. Oh, we missed that part. We'll get on the way back. Hit left. Yeah,
Alright.
watch this truck.
Yeah.
Just keep cruising until I notice something. Oh, that one looked good, but let's just keep going. Hold on, let's see what Martindale. Oh, there's people outside. Go ahead, go straight. That's just a field. I got that field on tape before. It's a nice field, though. For the kids.
Yeah.
I keep getting you every time. I don't know how. I never usually do. I know up here it gets rough. It gets real rough up here. Like, house-wise. Got that. Yeah. No, they're straight. I'm so sorry. Let me get this guy. Alright, look at all the teardowns. This whole
Yeah.
block. This used to have a ton of. Let's stop for a second. Let me see. Yeah, go ahead and hit this block. Stop. Alright. This whole block is abandoned. Yeah. Go ahead. Teardowns, teardowns, teardowns. Someone just got evicted, it looks like, sadly. Stop, look at this trash pile. Alright. Up here is going to be a couple, so be ready to slow down. Both sides. There's someone sitting in that car. I didn't want to get that house. This is a real good one. Alright, go ahead. Yeah, that guy was probably serving. You know?
Mm-hmm.
So I didn't want to put the camera on that other house. Go straight. Leave his business. What he does, I don't care. But that's why I don't put street signs where I'm at. I'm not trying to get people's spots up. Slow down. Slow down. You're a little rusty.
I am.
It's all good. Go ahead. I understand. Yeah. Here's one. Came in a long time to this area.
In with one-way traffic, so I gotta turn her.
Yeah, turn left.
Okay.
Go deeper in. Oh, then, ooh, there's a lot that way, but we'll put it on the way back. What?
Keep going?
Yeah. We're going towards Lindport. That's